Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate, delete, and reinstall Elementor in WordPress. Whether you're troubleshooting issues with your page builder or simply want a fresh start with Elementor, this process will help you reset the plugin completely. Let's jump right in and walk through each step. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your control center where you manage everything related to your website. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your WordPress menus are located. Click on Plugins, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Installed Plugins. This will display a complete list of all the plugins currently active or inactive on your site. Now scroll through your list of installed plugins until you locate Elementor. Depending on how many plugins you have installed, this might take a moment, but you'll recognize it by the Elementor name and logo. Once you've found it, you'll see several options beneath the plugin name. Click on Deactivate. This is the first crucial step because you cannot delete a plugin while it's still active on your site. After clicking Deactivate, you might be prompted with a message asking why you're deactivating the plugin. If this happens, simply click Skip and Deactivate. You don't need to provide a reason, and this allows you to move forward quickly without filling out unnecessary feedback forms. Once Elementor is successfully deactivated, you'll notice the options beneath the plugin have changed. Now you'll see a delete option available. Go ahead and click Delete. This action will completely remove Elementor and all its associated files from your WordPress installation. It's important to note that this will erase any custom settings you had configured within Elementor, so make sure you're certain about deleting it before proceeding. With Elementor now removed from your site, it's time to reinstall it fresh. Navigate back to the Plugins section in your left sidebar, and this time click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the WordPress plugin repository where you can search for and install new plugins. In the search bar at the top right of the screen, type Elementor. The search results will appear almost instantly, and you'll see the Elementor Page Builder plugin at the top of the list. Click Install Now. WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click on it to activate Elementor on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully deactivated, deleted, and reinstalled Elementor in WordPress, giving you a clean slate to work with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.